Hi guys, I'm Eunice from Onsmo B30 Studio, and today I'll be sharing with you one of the latest products from Onsmo, which is the Onsmo LED B30. So in my hand right here, I have the light panel from the LED B30 kit. Okay, so now I'll be sharing with you a few advantages of the LED B30. So firstly, it is at an incredibly low price. It is actually very worth your money because you can get almost similar effects as an RGB. Apart from that, it is also very suitable for people who aim to achieve a beautiful small setup. So if you are into doing live streaming or game streaming, this is a very good choice for you. So this kit actually comes with 2 flat lays, which is also one of Onsmo's best-selling products, which I will get into it a bit later. Okay, but the 2 flat lays can help to prop this light panel to a maximum height of 45 centimeters. So you can adjust the light panel to any height that you desire. Apart from that, this kit also comes with 2 rotating ball heads, which can allow you to tilt the light panel to any degree that you prefer. Lastly, it is a very quick and easy setup, so it is actually very preferable for beginners because you do not need to go through a lot of hassle to achieve a high quality effect. So now I'll get into the unboxing part of the video. Okay, so this is all the items that come with our Onsmo LED B30 2 light kit. So here we have the 2 light panels, and then for each light panel you will have 4 diffusers. One is the transparent one, which is already attached onto the light panel when you unbox it out from the box, and you would find 3 more extra diffusers, which is a red one, an orange one, and a blue one. Okay, so moving on to this part, we have the Onsmo flat lay tripod and the 2 rotating ball heads. If you need a tutorial setup video regarding the Onsmo flat lay tripod, you can check out the link down below. Lastly, we will also give a free gift of handphone holder and a camera shutter. So now let's get into the setup part of the video. So as I've mentioned before, the setup of our Onsmo LED B30 is actually really simple. Firstly, all you have to do is screw the ball head onto the bottom of the light panel like that. So once you've screwed the ball head in place, take the stand part of the Onsmo flat lay tripod and screw it to the bottom part of the ball head. So once you have screwed the stand in place, you can proceed to putting on the base of the flat lay tripod. So if you are unsure about this step, you can check out the link down below regarding how to set up our Onsmo flat lay tripod. And there you have it, the setup of our Onsmo LED B30 is done. So all you have to do is repeat the procedures above for the other light panel and you're good to go. So as I've mentioned earlier, our Onsmo LED B30 comes with 4 different diffusers. So as you can see here, the transparent diffuser is already slided in the front of the light panel when you unbox it from the box. However, it comes with a blue, a red, and an orange diffuser, so you can switch among these 4 diffusers to achieve any type of color gradient that you want. And the setup is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is slide out the transparent diffuser and slide in the color of your choice. So today I'm going with orange, and all you have to do is slide it in, and then that's it. So now I'll move on to teaching you guys how to light up our Onsmo LED B30. So as you can see, the B30 light panel comes with a USB head. All you have to do is find an adapter and plug the USB head into the port. Okay, and connect your adapter to a power source. So to light up our Onsmo LED B30, all you have to do is press on this power button. Okay, so the default brightness is at 100%, so you can shift between these 2 arrows. So if you want it dimmer, you can press down to make it dimmer, or if you want it to go brighter, you can press up. So the highest brightness is 100%. So now I'll show you the effect of our Onsmo LED B30. So this is the effect of only one light panel from our Onsmo LED B30 2-light kit. Okay, so it is placed at about 1 arm's length. So this is the light panel at 100% brightness. So now I'll move on to show you the effect of 2 light panels. So this is the effect of the 2 light panels from our Onsmo LED B30 2-light kit. Both are set at 100% brightness. So yeah, this is the effect. So now I'll show you how the effect will look like if you dim both of the light panels. So I'm going down once, twice, 3 times, 4. So this is the dimmest that our Onsmo LED B30 can go, and then this is the brightest. So this is the effect with the orange diffuser, and the effect of the blue diffuser, and the effect of the red diffuser. So that's it from me today. If you are interested in this product, do check us out at our Shopee and Lazada store at Big Studio Equipment, or you can visit us at our webpage at www.bigbigstudio.com. So see you again next time. Bye!